Welcome. In this video I will show you what to do if the screen rotation isn't working on your Motorola Moto G10 smartphone. First of all, you should be aware that the screen rotation shouldn't be working in your on your home screen, and also some applications do not support auto screen rotation too. So we're gonna need to check the auto screen rotation in specific apps, but before everything else, we have to enable it in the quick settings menu. Here we have it, auto rotate. Now try tilting your phone in different directions to check if the screen rotation is working, and if it's not, then the only thing that we can do with it is basically check for software updates, because if our device is outdated, this kind of issues might be present on our smartphone. And to check for software updates, go to settings, then go to system, then expand the advanced menu, open system updates, check if you have any for your device, and if you do, let your smartphone download and install the latest system version, and then let it restart. But if you didn't find any updates, still a restart is a good idea to refresh your gyroscope sensors. So hold down the power button, then select restart and wait until your device is restarted. After that, the problem should be gone, and if it's not, then it is probably the hardware issue, and in such case you should contact Motorola customer support service, or just head to the nearest repair center to get your device fixed. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.